Your video might be great, but if your thumbnail is not grabbing attention, no one is going to click. Your thumbnail is usually the first point of advertisement for your video, so make it catchy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to design a scroll-stopping YouTube thumbnail, even if you have zero design experience. Hi YouTube family, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we grow together, smarter and faster. If this topic interests you, do also smash the like button, subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on any of my updates. Today we'll be working with just two apps. The first one is Canva and the second one is Vivid. Now the first thing I want to do is head over to your Play Store to download these two apps, Canva and Vivid. Now let's get right into this video. First of all, you head over to your browser. I'm using the Chrome browser, and from your browser you search remove.bg.
Only the maps.
And then you click on this part that says upload image. Now what we want to do is remove the background from your image. Before heading over to Canva, you have to remove the background from your image. Now click on this place that says upload image and select your image from your gallery. Now let me choose this one. Now you have to know that if you take your pictures in landscape, that is the 16:9 YouTube long form video ratio, you will not be able to remove the background using this app. And then if you accept, you go back to crop out the excess edges before you can remove the background. Now the background has been removed from this image. I will go ahead to click on this place that says download and click on this preview free. Now this image has been file downloaded. That means this image has been saved to my phone. Now this image has been saved to my phone. Now I can go ahead to Canva to make use of it. Canva lets you remove image background, but then you need to be on the paid version. It's only the paid version that has this remove background feature. While using the free version, you cannot access this feature on Canva. Now let's head over to Canva. If you're still watching at this point, make sure to smash the like button and drop me your comment. Also subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell icon. If you found this video helpful, make sure to smash the like button, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Until next time, bye.